Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2013 F150 extended cab, four-wheel drive. This is a nice truck. Tires are in really good shape. Sorry about the water on. It's been raining up here for a couple of days. Doesn't smell like smoke. It's with the EcoBoost. I'll show you everything about it. Here's a look at the left front wheel. Here's a look at the tire. So they're not new, but they're certainly not bad by any means. Got some stainless steel, and I don't know if they're stainless, but it got step tubes on the sides. It's four-wheel drive, of course. Here's a left rear tire. They're all about the same. Bumper's in good shape on it. Bed's been used as a truck, but not really beat up as a truck. It's just got a scratch or two in it. Here, I'll show it to you. So you can see little scratches up there, little marks on the bed. Got a sliding rear window. Of course, this is an extended cab. Looking at inside, power windows, power door locks, got a power driver's seat. The seat's in great shape on it. Look at the dash. The trailer brake, got 80,300 miles on it. Pretty decent little truck. Runs good, drives good. Nice shape. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.